Moleni, namkelekile nonke kwezi Chisabe Entertainment. Guys, episode 6 of season 9 of Uthando Nesithembu was upon us. Siyasabona ke uMakhumalo noMangwabe as bonile ku episode 5 uTata Mseleku uye wahambe ke wayoncenga uMangwabe into ba khawuke udibane noMakhumalo and try and knock some sense into her so that ezondi unblocker enzele yonke into yethu ihambe kahle, especially because we want to do a welcome ceremony for Umpilo. So since enblockile asikwazi ukuthetha ngezo zinto, never mind about a relationship yethu, but ngoku funeke sizamele Umpilo so that ezokwazi ukwenzela a welcome ceremony. Guys, uMakhumalo uvele nje didn't waste any time, wavele wathi ehlala phansi uMangwabe wabe emxelela into about the reason as to why I've been so scarce for a very long time is merely because I was admitted into hospital. Obviously ke uMangwabe uyayothuka loo nto into yoba hayi bona ntombi wangatsho noba you were admitted esibhedlele, like you didn't even tell me, because kaloku uMangwabe even uTata Mseleku utshilo into yoba uMangwabe noMakhumalo they are very close, they speak about everything. Uyothuka into yoba but mina nawe nje sisoloko sithetha efowunini, and she looks quite worried about ke uMakhumalo. Uyamchazela into yoba yes, I was admitted. Unfortunately, I had intoba mandimxelele uTata uMseleku, because I thought to myself, if ndingamxeleli noMseleku, because as for Nina, as the wives, I do not want to stress you guys, okay? Intoba I am admitted at hospital. But as for Umi and Wami, I had to tell him, because what if bensweleka benzothi why sendingapha kwethuna ndingamxelelanga intoba I'm admitted esibhedlele. Uthi ndamsendela ke ipictures and ndamxelela intoba I have been admitted to hospital. Uthi the reason for my admission to hospital was because I was not feeling like myself for a very long time. Bendi dehydrated, guys, and bendizivalela kakhulu endlini. Even took time off. Namazke uMakhumalo, she's a workaholic. Uthi I decided to take some time off work and decided intoba mandike ndigade i-healthy yami. Uthi after the shoot of season 8 yakhumbula ke guys, uMakhumalo watrenda kakhulu after into eyatsho nguTata Mseleku intoba uthando lwami laMakhumalo ungalibuki ngokuthi usenzelani lana in terms of finances, but libuke ngokuthi uyohluleka to actually birth kids for us, ukwandisa umndeni. That means lo muntu lowo ngiyamthanda. If it was for any other man ngabe kade wamdivorca, basically trying to say something along those lines, guys. I don't remember the word for word, but I'm sure nekhumbula ke leyo episode leyo air trender for weeks after season 8 ended of Uthando Nesithembu. Uyachaza into yobana I fell into depression mode. Like uMangwabe about season 8, but season 8 literally took a toll on me, because I felt like the man that I loved was 100% against me, as uMakhumalo, I understand. Uthi I felt like he was against anything, and andiyenza season 8. As a result, I felt into depression. I did not eat for 2 weeks. Imagine, guys, uthi I had chest pains. Oh, yenye heartbreak leyana bafowethu. Yenye i-heartbreak leyana. Amazwi akhulunywa ngumthombeni ku season 8, they were really painful to uMakhumalo. As a result, uthi I ended up getting hospital. Also benfuna ukunifundela comments on how people responded to the episode dilena, or rather isini kaMakhumalo apho ashera khona that she was admitted esibhedlela. Okay, ngicela ukuthatha nje just a few comments. Reason being, guys, this is the segment etrenda kakhulu, right? One person said, don't you think it's good that you do not have a child with this guy, Mara Makhumalo? Sometimes we choose our baby daddies, but the chosen ones, God chooses who their baby daddies will be. And I think this guy is not the one for you. After so many years, guys, like that's like half her life. uMakhumalo, guys, I spendile noMseleku. Mele ahamba yoqala phansi. I know, guys, lento engiyishoyo, most of you are gonna come for me ukuthi ngikhalela ukuthi ayoqala phansi kunokuthi ahlale kulento. But yo guys, so many years she has spent, even herself nayo iyazithola into ba I'm not going anywhere, I'd rather ndihlale kulo mtshato, irrespective of the fact that I can see it's not working out. Yeah, understand? So this person is saying makahambe uMakhumalo, uMusa Mseleku akuyiyo i-soulmate yakhe. Okay, khona ke omnye oye wa questiona into ba why uMakhumalo kept things ngaphakathi kwakhe. Uthi, what's the use of having sister wives if you cannot tell them or feel comfortable to tell them that you were in hospital? Is this not the whole purpose of having a community? This just shows that these people are really not united. Basically bebodwa. Khona ke othe, don't tell me uMusa did not bother to go see her in hospital. uMakhumalo did not mention after ethe ndienda msendela izithombe uMseleku that I'm admitted in hospital. She did not mention doba, did he come? Did he call? What did he say after basically emxelele into ba use hospital? So people are saying umhlambe uMseleku didn't even bother himself, the way he is so stuck up over material things and wanting uMakhumalo basically to bow down to uSamke. Probably even went as far as punishing her even when she was in hospital. But guys would have to watch to find out indoba, did he really mais uMakhumalo esesibhedlele and decided not to visit her esesibhedlele? And the last person, guys, uthi, at this point, I highly doubt that what's happening to Makhumalo and Mseleku has anything to do with Osamke. I think it's deeper, and basically knowing that that man just speaks out of turn. There's something he said to her and it really broke her baketi. Omunye said, the last person said, uMakhumalo, the reason as to why she ended up being hospitalized for chest pains, depression, is because for the very longest time she was playing Miss Perfect and engafuni ukudisappoint her or disagree with her husband. And unfortunately, bottling things up for a long time, it can break your soul. It can break you mentally. And it was just overwhelming for her at this point, and she ended up falling into deep depression. Now uyashuba, that was the darkest that was the darkest place or period she's ever been in empilweni yakhe. She is also surprised indoba she made it alive, because she thought that she would die from depression, because wenza ntoni, bottling izinto apho kakhulu. So yeah guys, that is how ke episode 6 went. Ndiyacela ke khanike nisharishe views zenu. What are your thoughts? Ndiyacela si engage and sonibona shortly. Thank you guys for tuning in. Bye.